William. From my expression, you can see that I really was there. I was at Lagos. Hey! Monica, if you reach Lagos, you will not wish to come down. Can't praise you on house. But before then, where's my daughter Chioma?
Oh, Chioma?
Hey!
My mom.
Uncle, how was your trip?
Wonderful.
Hey!
Wonderful.
Candy Lagos.
Your sisters are busy asking of you. And your sister.
You met them well, eh?
Very, very. Let me not go so far. I hope I have been managing.
Uncle Libe. Well, we've been managing to eat, only that there is no money. We're managing small.
Money is the problem. Money is no longer the problem. From now, we will disgrace hunger.
Ezioku. Hey!
Monica.
Thank you.
Monica,
Uncle Libe.
Where do you go?
10,000
10,000 naira.
Hey, Uncle, come be no goma.
Uncle, how are people in Lagos?
They are wonderful.
Yeah.
In fact, trust your uncle now. When I entered there, Oleka and the husband surprised me.
I can see. He's written all over you. You're looking so refreshed.
Refreshed, Monica. You know I like meat.
Yes.
He arranged various types of meats. Pork meat to start with. Pork meat, you know, it's my surprise meat. Pork meat! That I'm easy. Get it?
Hey.
The one they use something.
Hey, our in-law is a good man.
That's what they call champagne.
What?
Champagne!
That is she's right.
That our in-law must be a good man.
By the way, Chioma,
Sir?
how do you manage to know the name?
Uncle, I read and I watch TV.
I think she's right because that is the kind of drink you see in television.
Yes.
They brought it. I started drinks there. Even I later asked them to go and buy me sapele water. But they said they don't say go there. I was disappointed. They brought one. They brought one. When I drink it, it will run through my veil and quiet me.
You really had a good time.
Yourself.
It's really care of
Wait,
you.
I think by now I've told you to come after this and pick the something.
Thank you.
Chioma and Chinaza.
Sir?
I have a very wonderful news for you. Your sisters loaded me with gift for you. I don't know. They gave me a bag. I don't know what is inside.
I'm sure it's closed. They have been inside. Must be filled with clothes.
Maybe should come and collect it.
Uncle, we are coming. We are coming now, sir.
I'll follow you now.
Not now. I am for someone. I'm going to somewhere now.
Okay.
When I come back,
Thank you, Uncle
No
Libe.
problem.
Hey,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Imena.
Thank you.
What? My mom.
Let me get you something to drink now.
Drink it. Drink it. I drank there until I became drink. Now if you drink, I should see me so. I should see me now. I have the drink. Watch my spoon.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Mama, your uncle is a good man. See money, I was complaining of money.
Maria, Fana.
How far what?
The thing within your hand now.
What has it got to do with you?
Now, more people can me with it. I know that.
Biachima, what the kala na apoge? What the can? Ego. Anya huego.
Chima.
Judas say ego. My friend, will you get out of this place?
Maria, give me small to me at it now. You know
every time you dey day. Come on, every time you dey day. Chima.
Judas say ego. You will not get this one.
Mama, it's okay. Mama. I want to cook something in this house. I want to show.
So we have to cook something good.
Mama, I know me. I know what I need the money for. That's not again. Mama, biko. Oh goodness.
I know you don't want to look at me. You don't want to look at me.
Stop.
Baby, I'm going to work hard, okay? Work hard, take care of you so that no man will come close to you.
See, I don't believe in judging someone now What I see in you, I don't think anybody sees it. You have prospect. The future is so bright. I know that someday you'll make money and you'll become somebody. So, for now, I'm sticking with you.
Shy, thank you, baby.
Because I love you.
Baby, thank you. So you mean I'll have money, eh?
Yes, you make money.
Oh my baby, this is treating me. Oh my dear.
What is the truth? I'm serious.
Thank you, baby.
No, you don't have to thank me. I know that you make money.
Oh, thank you.
You have to believe in yourself.
Yeah.
Fine, brother.
Good evening, bro.
Evening.
Meet Bella, my best friend and my colleague. Meet my brother, my other brother.
Bella, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
You are welcome to my house. Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, brother. Bella, let's get it. Thank you.
Yes.
Please, Bella will be spending the night here. I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind. I don't mind. Come on. You know what? Just take care of her. If there's another thing she will need, just let me know. Okay?
Okay, brother, you're the best.
Come on, stop flattering me. Wow, that's good.
How are you?
As you can see, my daughter, I am fine.
Lagos is good on you.
Just see me.
Hey, I'm working for him.
I will find shape very soon.
You've got to enjoy yourself.
I enjoy myself there, my daughter. By the way, where is your sister Chinaza?
Uncle, she said that she has somewhere important she needs to go to.
She has somewhere more important than my invitation.
No, Uncle, you should know Chinaza by now. It shouldn't bother you. Whatever she does shouldn't bother you. She's just a small girl.
It's okay, my daughter. I understand. No problem. How has life been with you?
Hey, Uncle, everywhere is boring. It's just that I miss you so much. I miss you so much, Uncle.
Unfortunately, I'm here now.
Yes, you're here.
It's okay, my daughter. Let me now go and bring what your sisters give to you.
Hi, Uncle, please. I'm waiting. Uncle, should I come and help you? Okay. Hey. Uncle. Huh?
One for you, one for your sister.
Yeah. Did you specify which one is for me?
I don't know. You people should know now.
Hey.
Yes, that's why she said it's for you. You know what? You know that.
Hey, I love it.
Yeah.
Uncle, thank you. Help me tell her thank you.
What is my own? And I brought it home.
Okay, thank you. I love it so much. Oh my God.
You know what? You will now rush back to home and assist your mother in preparing that special
soup, right?
soup.
Uncle, thank you so much. Please tell them that I appreciate you.
I will.
Thank you so much. Hey! Chinaza!
Hey, oh my God. It's okay. That's their problem.
You know I can plait this hair. Look at how beautiful you are. See, next time I will be the one to plait this hair. You see that I know how to plait.
Don't do anything.
You're trying me. Baby, you're trying me. You're trying me. Okay, don't worry. I will show you that I'm a good designer.
You don't know how to do anything.
I'm a good stylist, so.
You don't know how to do it.
See,
that is it.
Baby. I'm meaning to ask you something.
What is that?
Do you truly love me?
Of course, I love you.
For real?
For real.
You mean it?
I mean it.
So much love you. I love you.
Uncle. Uncle, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Who is that man?
That is my uncle.
Your uncle?
You have to start going now.
Wait. Go, follow here.
Chioma, where is my money? Do you realize that you're talking to your elder sister? I know. Where's my money? I need my money. You went to collect my money inside my bag. I need my money. I collected your money from your bag. Yes, you did. Are you calling me a thief? I'm not calling you a thief, but I'm just saying that you're with my money. Give me my money. Chinaza, don't get me angry.
Chinaza, what is happening here? And who stole your money?
Mother, it's Chioma. She stole my money. My money, the money I kept inside my bag. She went and collected the money. You stole my money. Give me my money. Chinaza, you're calling me your elder sister a thief. You stole my money. Mama, are you hearing what she's saying? Mama is not hearing anything. Mama, she stole my money. Tell her to give me my money now.
What did happen here? Who thief money and who not thief money?
It's Chioma. She stole my money. She stole my money. Tell her to give me my money now. I need my money.
Let me run now. No be that money we tell your battery. That's naira.
What? The money.
Let me collect her now.
You did? You took the money. Chima.
I did not steal the money. I took the money.
Took it, stealing and taking. Is it your money? You took it. Is it your money? Now see the problem you're causing. Have you seen your life? Have you seen your life? You're here accusing your elder sister wrongly. Next time you have to be careful before opening your big mouth to accuse someone. You are not even sure who took your money and you're here accusing your elder sister. Chinaza, apologize to her, sister. Apologize to her.
Sis, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Please forgive her. Don't mind her, Don't mind her. Please, forgive her. Just go away. Get out. Next time, you had better be careful before you start accusing somebody wrongly. I say go away.
I'm sorry. Sis, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Please, don't mind her, Please, forgive her.
Uncle. Good afternoon.
Uncle.
Adam, how are you?
Take him a fan.
Madam, how's everything?
Fine.
You are preparing good things.
Yes, I want to go for me.
Sir, please sit down.
I see. Where's Gina?
She's inside.
Call her for me. So this room is finished.
Chinaza!
You know I like room.
Chinaza!
You stay and eat.
I will do. I know. I'll get it. I will stay until it's done. Okay. It's even good. Imagine all that. Okay.
Uncle. Good morning.
Thank you. Tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Chinaza.
Sir?
Who was that young man I saw you with yesterday?
Uncle. He's just a friend.
Just a friend?
Yes.
What kind of friend is he?
Uncle, he's just my friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Imagine the kind of friends you are. Shamelessly kissing on the road? Shamelessly kissing on the road? Chinaza.
Is it true?
This is what I'm
Hey, Uncle Ibe.
This is true.
It's true.
Sorry.
Uncle Ibe.
You are sorry.
Please, pardon, forgive her. She won't do it again.
Forgive her for this is what on the road. Shamelessly.
Beg your uncle, tell him that you won't do such again.
Uncle, I'm sorry. I will not do it again. I promise.
Listen to me. What I'm saying is this. If you happen to get pregnant outside and bring it into this house, huh? I will teach you a lesson you must not forget in this life. Be very careful. Chinaza, be very careful.
I will.
I think I must be on my way now.
So soon. You won't stay now. Let me finish preparing the room with you.
I'm going somewhere. When I come back,
I'll come. Oh, no problem. I'll keep yours for you.
Make sure because I'll send it to you.
No, we'll keep your own.
Mr. Boy is bringing your brother. We are late. He will soon be here. Just wait. Just not time. Huh? Smile.
Sorry, ladies. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let me do the pleasure for you, ladies. Yeah. Ladies first. Yeah, that's what's up. Okay. Okay, ladies.
Definitely, I know you have told me the truth. Because as an old man, I know there could be no smoke without fire. There's no way smoke will just emerge without fire. I know that somebody is occupying the greater part of your heart, while your mother is trying to rub it off through rich man. No problem, I'll talk to your mother. But definitely, like I told you, until you come with the Henry.
Okay, Uncle, thank you very much.
Yes.
I have to start going, but I will come and do some chores for you.
Please don't miss coming because I want you to prepare some bitter leaf soup.
Bitter leaf soup.
This time with Ejuna.
Uncle.
Don't say I should not eat meat, red meat again.
No problem.
So Ejuna is what I want.
Okay.
Come back and prepare it for me. Oh?
Okay, Uncle. I'm going to take care of yourself. I'm coming now.
Not one thing. Make sure you don't fight anyone.
Uncle, you should know that I'm not a troublesome person.
Good. You don't look like one.
Okay.
It's well with you.
Thank you.
Oh. Monica is right. But Monica, Chioma reported you to me.
Yeah. What did she tell you that I did?
That you are forcing her to do what she didn't want to do.
So what is it that she doesn't want to do that I forced her?
You are pushing her towards marrying rich men.
So what is wrong in a mother wanting the best for her daughter?
That is not what I mean. What I mean is that you should allow her be with her choice. Allow her with the choice of a man she has made. And she will be okay with that. Don't choose a man for her.
But Uncle, Mama choose husband for my sister. Don't be batting now.
Shut up. Chibobi, will you keep quiet there? I am talking to your mother.
Sorry, Uncle.
Let this not repeat itself again. Let her be with the man she loves.
Even when such a man is a wretched loafer, NFA, no future ambition, a layabout.
Why must you qualify somebody else's child like that? Are you in their family or are you in his pocket?
Because that is what he is. He's a wretched good for nothing. My daughter will never marry such a man. Not while I'm still alive.
But Uncle, the choice my sister make now that poor wretched boy, we don't get money. I know it not make sense now.
Chibobi, if you near me now, if I'm giving my way now, I'll just slap the out of your side. What's wrong with this stupid boy? Look at Kettle, call him pot black. Eh? You are calling him a poor wretched boy. Are you better than him? I ask you. Chima, Machara Yagio. My wife, I know you as a good woman who want the best for her children. Please, allow her.
Over my dead body will it happen? Or my me? And when me can not do, make quick home, or gay me. My daughter will not marry him.
It is not for you to choose a rich husband for your daughter. Because I'm sure my brother, your late husband, was not rich when he got married to you.
And that is why my life is like this. I don't want it for my daughter. Achomia. My daughter has to marry someone better so as to get out of this poverty. What are you saying?
What do you look like? Anybody that says his eyes on you sees a woman that is okay, that is feeling well, I'm auguring well. Look at the children, everybody bouncing. You're not happy with that.
I am not fine.
Everything my brother.
Let my daughter marry someone that will lift us out of poverty, Uncle Ibe.
Please.
Help Maka, leave me alone.
Naya, it is not like that. Don't wound her mind. She has a choice. I made her choice. Let her be with it. Chimobi.
Uncle.
Please, not a mother. Be a man for once. Do not be a man. Every time you share about every time. Nico for is shock. He's shock. Every time. You share a quarter. Talk to your mother. You're a man now. Let her allow yourself to manage her choice.
Okay, Uncle. Wonder. I don't understand Uncle. I don't understand them at all.
See, I've been missing you so much. Thank God we are here now. See, baby, I will make sure that all the girls in this village will start envying you. Yes, I will work so hard that you will be the top in this village. Yes. Love.
Okay, fine. So, when are you giving me the money that I asked you? Are you giving me the money today? Or when?
See, baby, there is one bet night that I played. Yes, and it's just remaining one number like that. Let it just enter. Bam! Once it drops, I give you the money.
Sure.
Yes, man.
Come, not touch me, son. Oh, listen, when you are ready to give me the money, then we'll start from where we stop.
Reason with me. If I get on today, I go get on tomorrow.
Reason where? Oh, nah, problem news people. Something to me.
Baby, wait. Let me tell you something. You know I love you so much. And I've been hustling so hard because of you.
See, listen to me. If you have the money, call me.
Baby, wait. The money will drop. I will. Hey.
Uncle, this is Henry, and he's the person I told you about.
It's okay. Henry, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Well, let me ask you, are you ready to marry my daughter?
Yes, Uncle. I'm a responsible young man, and I love her with all my heart.
Good.
And I promise to always love her.
Don't just mistreat my daughter for me. Don't beat her.
No, Uncle, no.
Keep her always happy for me.
I will protect her with my life.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Well, I pray that God will bless you to come and marry Chioma.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Mother, I'm behind this plan. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Go inside the house there and get cola for you.
I'm coming.
Alright.
Come. Behind that man.
Uncle, you like to hide things.
No, that's it. That's why I'm uncle.
You called me.
Oh, yes, I called you, but... Come on, sit down. Can't I just call my sister and talk to her like anytime I want?
Why not?
So
what's the problem?
It's your friend Bella. I think I like her.
Really?
Yes. Can you please help me talk to her?
Brother!
Come on! I'm for real. Listen. If you need a motivation spirit, I can afford to just probably do something. I can, you know what I mean?
Okay, on one condition.
Okay, go ahead.
You're not going to hurt her.
Just that? Just that?
Yes.
Okay, I cross my heart. I'm not gonna hurt her or make her feel bad in any way. Trust me,
Are you sure about that?
As a matter of fact, for motivation spirit, like I said before, just send me your account number so I can give you some motivation. Trust me, that girl has been giving me a whole lot of sleepless nights.
Really?
Yeah, so go help me talk to her.
Okay. I'll talk to her for you.
Deal! At least now I can actually go to bed and have a wonderful sleep. Jeez.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna send you my details.
That's not a big deal. Just do that tomorrow, man. And just talk to her.
I will do that. Trust me.
Bad girl.
Good night.
Yes, good night.
Emeka, make sure say you clean up those inside of that place, okay? And tell Amaka to arrange those monies for me. I want to go to the market.
Bye.
Oh my God!
Man.
Jay!
How you did that?
Harry!
How you did?
Nah, if you go no more. Now, I've not seen you for 3 days now. Where have you been?
I've been working.
Huh?
I've been working.
Man, our work is there. I hope this work is yielding money.
My dear, I'm trying to make money so that I'll be able to take care of my girl. Yes. Or do you want other men to take her away from me?
No. I can see love in in those eyes.
That's it.
Women can be trusted. But the same way I see love in your eyes, I also see love in Choma's eyes.
Exactly.
She can't disappoint you.
Exactly, brother. You said the right thing. Yeah. She loved me the way I take love her.
Well, it's true. You know her mother. You know that woman, she likes money. Yeah. See, you don't have a good job. You don't have a business. So let me tell you, she will just, boom, kick you out. And that's the end.
What I know is that I will make money. You see this God no go shame me.
I can see somebody going from level A to level B, level C to level D. Naraka.
I'll make money.
Nama, you be. Now you go, let's go inside. Let me offer you something.
No. One man said I should come, so I'll see if there's something will come out. Even if it's 500 naira for the day.
Let's meet in the evening now. Our usual.
My love, how are you?
What are you doing here?
My love, calm down now. I came to see you. Come for no Akwanwa.
See, before I just open my eyes and close, I want you to get out of this compound now.
My love, calm down.
Calm down, what? I don't want to go.
What is it? Mama, who is this young man and why is he here begging you as if he's owing you?
My good day.
Mother, it's not owing me. He's here to talk about love when you don't have any money.
Yes.
Hey, don't talk like that. You're not in his pocket, so you never can tell.
Yes.
Young man.
Mama.
You say you love my daughter.
Mama, I love her. I so much like her for me, and I couldn't sleep through it since last night.
That's interesting.
Yes.
So, how much do you have in your accounts? Home and abroad.
Mama, I am expecting big money.
Okay.
Very, very big money.
You know everything Mama they tell you. How much did your account? You are expecting big money. Maybe big money.
Yeah, how much do you have?
Mama, I have, in my account, I have 18,500.
18,500 naira.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, minimum wage. Yeah, you have minimum wage in your account, as in all your money. I don't understand. So you want to marry my daughter with minimum wage, 18,500? Eh? Look at you. As handsome as you are, yet you're so wretched. So in the channel,
yes,
you're proposing to her with 18,500 naira in your account. Are you for real? Have you no shame?
No.
If you don't
no.
Eh?
Mama, I'm expecting big money. I even played Bet Nigeria day for yesterday. I'm expecting 4 million. If the money will drop, I am sure. I will add it up. Mama, I love her so much.
No, that love will kill you. That love, will end your life. Shameless thing. You're so shameless. Now you listen to me, young man. Listen to me carefully. Have you seen this, my daughter? You see my daughter? Now I want you to look around this, my compound. I don't ever want to see you come close to my daughter or even close to my compound.
Hey, Mama.
You are supposed to step out.
Mama, I love her.
Fine boy, no money. Yes?
It's not fair.
What is not fair?
And why were you pushing him?
That stupid boy.
Shut up! Mama, it's not fair.
What is not fair?
Is it because he doesn't have money?
Yes.
You're judging him because of now?
Yes.
Chinaza.
Do you have a problem with that?
Chinaza. Mama, nobody knows tomorrow. The future might smile on him tomorrow. We shouldn't judge him because he doesn't have money now and because he loves Chinaza.
Look at this fool. Madam Preacher of Love. Madam Preacher of Love, look at you. You're preaching love to me, okay? I don't blame you. I gave birth to both of you. And I will decide who will marry you, whether you like it or not.
Bam.
And now you listen to me. All this one you're doing. I know that you're trying to pave way for that wretched Henry that you call a boyfriend. Of course, you know that that will be over my dead body for that wretched idiot. You know it will not happen. I will decide who you will marry because I did not suffer to give birth to both of you for some wretched idiots. Nonsense.
Choma, my senior sister. I don't see her say that useless boy, that poor boy Harry, you don't wash your brain.
Do you mind?
Just shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. So no, Chalugodo, if men are talking, you will talk. Yeah, men will come out, Look at this rejected goat. Your mates are out there hustling for money. You are here struggling pot of stew with me and Chinaza. You should be ashamed of yourself. Rubbish.
Male. Did you hear what they talk so?
Yes. What she said, is it not true? Is it not true? Look at you. You should be ashamed of yourself. In fact, I am just ashamed of having both of you as children. Because you people don't behave like me. Instead of you to be looking for how to uplift this family, instead you want to sink us deeper into poverty. It shall never be well with both of you. My friend, just get out.
Male, based on tradition, I will be the senior man of this house.
I sound you. Based on which tradition? Look at him. Efu. Good for nothing. My friend, get out of my way. Nonsense. Calm down, yeah. Chinazanwam, I am just happy that I still have you. If not, these two siblings of yours, they just want to, in fact, they want to kill me.
They will not kill. Calm down. Let me go that place I told you.
And collect that money.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry, I will be praying for you. Yeah. Be careful, oh. It's the one. This is one that took after me, not all this. I don't understand. I don't know.
Maybe I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
Maybe you decide to accept your mother's decision.
What decision?
You know what I'm talking about. To follow rich men, of course.
Stop it. Listen, no matter the pressure, I will never leave you.
Sure, you promise? No matter the situation.
Henry, my love. I promise.
Thank you.
Oh, bro, good evening. You're back.
Yeah, I've been around for a while.
Fine. Thank God. Just sit down. I'm fine. Excuse me. Yes.
I'll be with you soon, Bella.
Alright.
Hi. Good evening, Bella. How are you today? Listen, Bella, there's something I want to talk to you about. And every time I think about you, my heart palpitates. I get so overwhelmed by your thoughts. I think I'm in love with you. And I can...
I know. And I'm not saying love with you.
For real? Oh my goodness. Listen, I promise I will never do anything to hurt you.
Sure.
Absolutely. Oh.
Are you giving me your word?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I at least have a hug or something?
Sure.
Come here. Oh.
Mama?
Mama? Why are you lost in thought? Chinazza, why won't I be lost in thoughts? Why won't I be lost in thoughts when your sister will not allow me to drink water and drop cup in this house? Mother, what has she done again? How can I sit here and allow that useless Henry destroy my daughter's future? I understand how you feel, but believe me, you see that foolish and wretched Henry, he will not marry my sister. Believe me, okay? Ah, God, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Choma wants to kill me. Calm down. Choma wants to kill me. I don't want that boy. I don't want him. He's no good. He's no good for my daughter's future. But my daughter will not listen. What do I do? It's okay, okay? Henry will not marry Choma. Believe me. Oh yeah, let's go inside so that you have something to eat. I don't feel like it. I don't have appetite. But mother, you have not eaten anything since morning.
Yeah.
Want you to promise never to hurt me.
Ah, not again. I've been promising you this for only God knows how long. Ah, come on.
If I know, just this last one time, please.
One more time. Okay, I promise I'll never do anything to hurt you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll never do anything, trust me. I'll always be there to protect you. Okay?
Thank you.
I love you more. So, what do you think? Who's gonna cook? You cook or I cook?
You do the cooking today.
Okay, I'll cook. Just the normal thing. Our favorite.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Wow. Henry, you mean that woman said all that to you?
Exactly what happened though?
No. I can't believe it.
Do you know the annoying thing? She slapped her while she was trying to defend me.
What? Oh, now that's so sad.
I don't know how she will be faring now. I don't know what might be of her.
Harry, calm down, okay? Don't worry. Choma is a strong girl. She's gonna be fine. Hey, I don't like that face. Shut up, man.
Brother.
Okay, have you eaten something?
No.
Don't worry. Emeka! Emeka! Please, help me get food for my friend. Rice or...
Egusi
and egusi and fufu, please. Fast about that.
I beg 3 meat.
Just 1 meat.
You mean your mother and Chinaza insulted Henry because he has no money?
My mother is impossible. That woman is trouble.
What more gossip can you tell your friend about me? That I'm a wicked mother or what? Simply because I don't want any of my daughters to marry a poor man.
Mama, please, that's not what she meant.
I know you would defend her. I know you would defend her because she's your friend. Joy, if not that I know you too well, I would have said that you're the one misleading my daughters to marry poor men. They are my children. I gave birth to them. I want the best for them. None of my daughters will ever marry a poor man. It will not happen.
Mama, it's not true. I'm not advising her negatively.
Then you better advise her. Because over my dead body, will Choma marry that wretched Henry? It will not happen. She has to kill me first. So you had better talk to your friend. Nonsense.
Your mother is mean.
Look, I am glad you have heard it yourself. I was saying it, you thought I was joking. Look, I want to run away.
You can't say that.
I can't stay in this house. I can't be here.
Where will you run to? Here is your house. You have no place to go. So, just calm down. Everything will be okay.
When?
It's okay. Stop crying.
Look, if I don't marry Henry, I won't love anybody. Oh.
Gee, don't worry.
This movie is interesting.
Yeah.
Punching.
Brother?
Yes.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Did you marry Bella, my friend?
What kind of question is this?
I'm just asking.
Okay, I never promised I was going to get married to her. So...
Tell me the truth. She will make a good wife. Seriously. She's a good girl.
Like I said before, I'm not promising that I'm going to get married to her. But let's see what fate and destiny is going to, you know, tell. This movie is interesting. You need to check. My gosh. See? Badass nigga. That guy is me.
Mother, where did you say Chinasa, where are you coming from? And why do you like to keep everyone? Am I not talking to you? Why do you like to make everyone bother about you? All of it, Chinasa, only you in this house.
Based on tradition, as the first son of this house, wait for the call.
What kind of question is that?
Hey!
That person not for me or not for Choma, your senior sister. You dey craze?
It's for both of you.
You dey craze? You dey...
No, wait, what are you trying to do? Hold on. What are you trying to do? Don't you ever try to raise your hands on your sister again. Are you mad?
Mama Cherugodo. Mama, wait, Cherugodo. So you're in support of her spending the night out? She left this house since last night. Did you even get to ask her where she slept?
Do you have a problem with that?
Hey.
Do you? Eh?
Mama, nonsense. Mama, what you're doing is not good. You're letting her go astray.
Do you have a problem with that? Nonsense.
I know what to do.
You will do nothing.
If I wasn't here, I would have started beating you. And by the way, how did it go?
Mother.
I gave you money.
Yes.
Okay. How much?
You transfer 50k.
50k?
Chinaza. Oh, Akuna now. You're selling your body for money. Chinaza.
My friend, will you keep quiet? What do you know? Please just go. Go away. Nonsense. You more. Hey, give me money. Yes, this. I'm giving you like 100.
Shut up! What is this? Emeka!
Sir, no verse.
Now, go get me my record book. And Biro! Calculator! Stupid boy. God! So this is how you're making away with my money in this shop? Don't sorry me, sir! Get out. You want more? You want more? Hey! Where are the one? Wait, I'll get. Wait. I know how to handle you. How much am I gaining in my shop? 1,500, just like that. Hey. Now, welcome, Jerry. How far? Oh my manners. Look at you. Look at my boy. Eh? Taking 1,500 from my shop. How much am I making?
1,500.
Yes, now. 1,500. Nego.
Wait now. I'm just.
How much am I making in this
Say
shop?
1,500.
How much am I making in this shop? How much am I making?
1,500.
Give me.
It's my daily pay. My daily pay.
I beg.
Too much.
That was not the reason why I called you. See, there's a job opportunity in abroad. Will you go?
Are you just talking? Job up. Me go abroad?
Yes, now.
Hey, well. I'll go now.
Fine. That's all I want to hear.
Hey! Hey! This is good news, oh. Good news. But will Chioma go with me?
Hey. Are you okay? I'm just asking.
Well, you know why I'm saying this now? I will travel abroad and Chioma will be here. What about all these village animals?
Let me stop. See, when you go abroad, you hustle. You make money. If I don't go easy. When you return, see, that same woman who is asking you, just go. Go, you don't have money. Go, do this one, do this one. She will be the same one that will do 360 turn around and tell you, come and marry my daughter, or come and marry my daughter. Hey, now, you think.
I'm using my brain. That's why I don't want to live in this village. You want me to go abroad? Stay there. Okay, see what will happen. If I go now, I explain everything the way you just told me. If she wants to go with me, better. That's the only thing that will make me go. I'll just go. I will not go to work again. Let me just go to her house and explain everything.
Henry, use your brain.
Don't worry. I will give you feedback. Let me go and anything she says.
Come on. Just can't get enough of you. Come on. You. Oh, you just...
What's job?
I just can't get enough of you.
Sit here.
Come, let's go inside. Have something for you. I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Baby, Do you love me?
Of course, you know I love you.
Good. Baby, bring your hand.
My hand?
Yes. I want...
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Baby, I want us to have a blood covenant. For spiritual and physical bond.
Blood oath? No now. Henry, you can't ask me to have a blood oath with you. Blood oath is not a yardstick to quantify my love for you. I love you no matter what. Okay? Do you know the consequences of this? Okay, what if we do not get married? Let's take for instance. Do you know a lot of people are facing troubles because of things like this?
Maybe you said people. This is you and I.
But doing an blood oath with you, I cannot do it.
Baby, I can see that you don't love me.
No, I love you.
You don't.
I can't do a blood oath with you.
You can't?
Yes.
Baby, you're leaving.
I'll see you when you want to see me.
So, this girl has been pretending, eh? John! John!
Yes. Emeka! Oh! Henry! Hope all is well.
All is not well.
What happened?
Chioma does not love me anymore.
I don't understand.
She has finally succumbed to her mother's advice.
Oh, Henry, you're still confusing me.
Chioma refused to go into blood covenant with me.
She refused. That's the right answer.
What is your problem? I'm saying something serious. What is your problem?
You're a fool. Henry, why would you ask her to go into blood covenant with you when you know clearly that you're not ready to marry her now?
Who told you that I'm not ready to get married?
Henry, listen. I'm your friend and like a brother to you. Okay? You need to make money. Hustle! Before her mother will allow you to marry her.
You're right.
Yes. Chioma loves you, but she doesn't know about tomorrow. Okay, cheer up. Okay?
Please, give me water to drink.
Let's go inside.
No, let me just sit here. Give me water to drink.
Uncle, there's a problem.
Chioma, what problem is that?
My mother and brother wants me to marry a man I do not want to marry.
Eh? Who could that person be?
He said his name is Francis, that is a businessman.
Then stop panicking. Is that why you are panting?
Uncle, please, I need you to come and talk to my mother. I need you to come and put some sense into her.
Calm down, my daughter. Nobody, I repeat, nobody is permitted, legally and traditionally permitted, to give out your hand in marriage to any man without my presence. I must approve it. So why are you worried? Eh?
Are you coming now?
I will come later. Just go. And don't worry so much.
Uncle, I'll run out of this village. I'll run out of this village.
I see. Yeah.
Uncle, I'll run out of this village. I'll run out of
No, girl. She has over. Will you come back?
I'm not making money. Why say this thing before your brother? Are you okay? Eh?
You don't get sense again now. You defame me. See, I don't become your mate, Abby.
What did you hear? Eh? So, mother, I mean what I'm saying. I saw him with those stupid boys. Again? Yes. Chima.
Mama.
Is it true?
Chinaza. If I die, you're here.
Good morning.
Francis.
Madam.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Please,
Hello.
Please
How are you,
sit down.
You alright? Yes,
welcome.
Hello.
Welcome, Mr. Francis.
Thank you very much.
So how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Let's go inside.
Oh no, Mama, it's fine. I'm okay here. It's actually morning, so let's feel the fresh air.
Okay. So what do I offer you?
Oh, nothing. It's morning. It's too early.
How about drinking water?
Oh, no. I'm fine. Absolutely.
You don't drink even water.
I'm fine.
Okay. Welcome.
Thanh you. So, where is Choma?
Oh, Choma. Choma went to see her friend.
Oh, she
not quite far from here. Go and call your sister. Go and call her.
Okay, Mama. Good.
Hey, welcome. So how is everything? How is business?
Business is good.
Wait, Choma.
What do you mean, where is Choma?
I don't understand. Choma tell man say they come your side now. Will they fight Choma since?
Choma is not here.
You serious?
I'm serious. I wanted to round up so that I can come to your house to look for her.
Okay.
What have I done? Where did Choma go to? And she didn't even tell me to cover up for her. Oh, I hope I've not messed things up. Let me finish up so that...
I've even been meaning to ask you.
Yeah,
what do you do for a living?
Oh, okay. That I'm into import and export of autos.
You're an importer.
Exactly.
Importer of cars.
Absolutely.
That's a good one. That's a good business. Chai, welcome, man.
Thank you very much.
Mama.
Is everything okay?
Yes. No problem.
I feel.
Hey, so where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Anambra.
Anambra State.
Exactly.
Anambra is close to us here. Yeah, it's good.
So my Choma is not coming anytime soon?
Francis, I actually forgot that I sent her to my sister's place in the next village.
Oh, I see. So that means she's not coming anytime soon?
Yes. Even if she will come back, it will be quite late. Because they have to go for an errand for me.
Okay then. I guess I'll have to take my leave and probably come back tomorrow.
That would be more like it. Thank you so much.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you guys some other time, yeah? Just before I leave, let me give you guys something to start up a good day.
Oh, thank you.
It's just something little, just
thank you
to
so
start
much.
a good day with.
God bless you. Thank you.
All right, bro.
We'll be expecting you tomorrow.
All right, Mama. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
You okay? What do you want to do? You had better be careful. What's wrong with you? You want to follow him? He came here to look for your sister. Are you okay? Come with Akira Bikon. The Kanya Dege Mokoya. Anya Dege Ma. Nonsense.
Mama.
Mama, what? What?
Based on tradition, you know how they be now.
What you based on which tradition? My friend, mind your business. Yeah? Go and bring that basket for me. Go see some, go and bring it.
Monica, what is this thing I am hearing?
Uncle Ibe, what is the problem?
You are the problem.
Me?
Yes.
How?
Why are you forcing Chioma to marry Francis?
I am not forcing her to marry Francis. I'm only telling her the obvious facts. Francis is well off. Francis is well to do. If she marries Francis, his richness will rub off on us. And that will take us out of the poverty state in this family.
I am not in poverty life. And that shows me that you actually want to sell your own daughter because of money.
Uncle Lee, I do not want to sell my daughter. I want the best for her. I want her to marry a well-off man. After all, your own daughters married rich men, didn't they? Eh? You want my own children to marry poor men while your own daughters marry rich men. How can you reconcile that?
Monica, are you now challenging me?
I'm not challenging you. I want the best for my daughter, enemy of progress.
I will actually show you that these children you call your children are my own late brother's children, and by implication, my own children. You have no right to marry them out because of money. Are you hearing me?
So what will you do? Uncle Ibe, what will you do? You will show me. You cannot show me anything.
For your information, it is me who will give their hands in marriage, not you.
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. I want the best for my children, period. Monica! It will not happen. Now, enemy of progress.
The next weekend, we'll take you to your father's house.
Go to your house. I was wizard. Can you imagine? Enemy of progress. All his daughters, they are all married to well-off men. It's my own children that will not come and marry. Nonsense.
Male, now mom could follow the young like that.
It's not that your useless sister that went to report me to him. Choma. Choma is daring me. Choma is daring me. I gave birth to her. Whatever I say, that is what she will do. By the way, she will come back here and meet me. Nonsense. And so bloody what? And so what? He wants to marry you off to paupers. Use your brain, use your head. Where are you coming from? I'm asking you, where are you coming from?
I went to Joy's place.
Which Joy? Joy asked when I go, they said they never see for like yesterday. Come here, come the lie.
Where are you coming from? This boy, where are you coming from? I
went to Henry's place.
What? Which Henry? Okay.
What is it this time? I know you're up to something. Spill it out.
You know you're missing me already.
Oh, yes. I'm missing you already. Matter of fact, just come here. My in-laws, there's no need beating around the bush. Choma, I love you, and I want you to be my wife. If you will say yes, trust me, I will change your life and the life of your family.
Francis is your name, right?
Yes, that's his name, Francis.
That's a very nice name.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I cannot marry you. I have someone, and I love him so much. Excuse me.
Choma, come back here. Choma, be able to see some. Choma. My in-law.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, don't take her serious, okay? She's not always like this. I guess she's in a foul mood today.
It's okay, Mama.
She'll come around, eh?
It's alright, I'll just keep pushing.
Thank you so much. Just be patient with her. She will definitely say yes. I will make sure she does.
Thank you very much, Mama. Mama, I'll have to take my leave now.
Okay, Mama. No problem. You come back next time, eh?
It's okay. Before I leave, let me something for motivation. Mama, this is for you.
All these ones for me.
This is for you as the dear you know.
Thank you.
And then this is for you.
Yeah, I know.
That's a little motivation. I'll check on you people some other time.
We'll be expecting you soon again.
It's okay, Mama. I'll see you people very soon.
Bye bye. Yay. No do. Choma! Whether she likes it or not, she must marry him.
Bam! Now must, you must marry Francis. Must! You know they are. On my bed. I want to let's throw up.
Don't go and drink, oh.
Babe, guess what?
What is it?
Just guess. I have a good news for you.
Come on, you know I'm not very good at guessing. It's just whatever. Just tell me whatever it is.
I'm 2 weeks pregnant.
What?
Yes.
So what are you waiting for? Get it off, I bought it or something.
What? Baby, what are you saying? I thought we loved each other. How can you ask me to abort our child?
I'm not ready to be a responsible father or get married either. So just get it off.
Francis!
Bella! Listen, I was almost about to fall asleep when you were, picking my hair, so you just continue something. Just sleep.
You're so crazy. But please, tell me you're joking. Please, tell me you're pulling my legs. You're kidding me, right?
My family is forcing me to marry Francis. But I do not love him.
Maybe I'm speechless. Promise me you will not leave me no matter what.
I promise.
What's going on? Baby, stop crying. What is it? Talk to me. Why are you crying?
Is that pregnant for your brother?
Pregnant for my brother?
Yes.
Then, have you told him?
Yes.
What's his response?
He said I should terminate. He cannot marry me. And the child can never bear his name.
That cannot happen. I have to settle this once and for all.
Brother, why did you ask Bella to abort your child?
Excuse me, Esther.
I don't understand.
What is there for you to understand? Where on this planet has it become a tradition that a man has to get married to a woman he impregnated?
You promised not to hurt her, so why are you hurting her now?
Listen, sis, I've got a whole lot in my head, so keep giving me this Bella pregnancy story thing. Excuse me.
Oh, really? Brother!
Welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much.
So how is business? How is everything?
Business is fine. Thank you very much for welcoming me.
What are you doing here? Have I not warned you not to ever come close to this compound again?
I want to see...
My friend, go away. Say my boss, so go, don't ever come here again.
Where is this fellow here? Why? I never said me not enter my compound again. I don't want to see you.
What is wrong with you? Don't come here again.
Who is it?
Don't mind him. You one wretched beggar that my daughter always give her money to.
Oh, okay. That means he needs money. Let me give him some money now.
He doesn't need your money. He doesn't need your money. He doesn't need your money. Let's go.
Choma! This girl will not hear word. Eh?
Mama.
That's why she'll be giving this beggar all her money.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's a part of me, you know. So if people just and then let me give it to Mama, okay?
Yes,
Mama. I'll see you guys around.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Right.
Escort him.
Okay. Right.
Bye, yo.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Mama, will you come?
Hello, Francis.
Bella, what are you doing here?
I came to see the father of the unborn child.
listen and listen real good. I don't want to ever see you anywhere around my house. Never!
Brother!
You shut up! Like I said, don't you ever come around my house. Get out of here now!
Francis, it shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you. You see what you've done to me, some other person will do it to you. You can never see a child in your life.
My goodness.
But this is not...
Hey, yo, listen. Get your ass here and come on watch movie and stop giving me this here.
This is not fair.
It's not fair. Who cares?
Oh, my brother. I'm ready to travel abroad.
Oh.
I'm ready. Yeah?
I'm glad you've made up your mind. Okay? Don't worry, everything is gonna be fine. Okay?
You see this God where they have him? If this God no bless you, if this God no bless you, no say no be me. Hi.
Hey, Harry, be calming down, okay? Be calming down, yeah? You're like a brother and a friend to me. Anything for you, okay? Don't worry, don't worry.
If I reach there, I go make money.
Joy!
If I make money, now you first I go remember. You see that your shop? Somebody tell me one day say, now people where they work for mortuary, they make money for abroad. What thing I go do if I just reach there? I go to watch dead body.
Hey!
They watch dead body. They say they pay
well.
I go to watch them. And now women are going to watch well because those ones.
Never talk to the guy, you go there. All I just want, just go. Tika obodo. Tibata ki me ife.
I want you to keep this child.
Esther, how could you ask me to keep the child when your brother does not want it?
Please. I know my brother doesn't want this child. Children are blessing. Do you know if this child will bring you and my brother together? Yes. Please, for the sake of our relationship, for the sake of the love you have for my brother, please keep this child. I beg of you. Think about it.
I'm heard what you said. It's okay.
Okay, thank you. You're the best!
About this afternoon. What are you doing in my house?
Please, is Shoma around?
Shoma is nowhere around here. And for your information, Shoma has gone to see Francis. And she has accepted to marry him.
What?
Do you have a problem with that?
What?
My friend, will you leave my house? See my boss, sir? Wretched goat. Come on, leave it. I said leave this place. Seba! Leave my house. Go away. Is it my boss? Nonsense. Wretched goat. Don't know that shoes have sizes. Eh? Come here. That's for trauma. Let me see your leg here again.
Mother, who was that?
Is it not that wretched goat that calls himself Henry? He's coming here to look for Choma. Can you imagine?
But Choma is inside now.
Keep quiet. But check on. What is your business? Come on, I beg, just go away.
Choma, why will you do this to me? After all we've been through, you promised me that you'll not leave me till death do us part. But you betrayed me. This is how you ended it. John, I came to tell you that I've packed my things and I'm ready to travel.
It's okay. Just take care of yourself and promise to be strong.
Why not? I'll be strong.
It's okay.
I want you to do something for me. Please give this to Chima.
Oh, all right. Okay. I will.
I want you to take good care of Chima for me, despite the fact that she betrayed our love. Please, put your eye on her.
Okay, I will. I promise.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I have to rush home so that I'll pick up my bag and travel, okay?
All right, let me walk you out.
Ada, you said you have something to tell me. I am all ears now.
I have decided to marry Francis.
What? No. This cannot come from you. Chioma.
Uncle, it's my decision.
Why this sudden decision of yours? Why this sudden choice? Someone you said you don't love. Suddenly now, you've come to love him, to marry him. Okay. I'm sure your mother must have forced you to.
Uncle, nobody forced me. It's my decision. I am going to marry him.
Well, strange decision. And I'm watching my daughter shedding tears and saying I want to marry him. Let me ask you. Tell me the truth. I'm your father. Do you really love him? I said, do you really love the man?
Not really.
Not really.
But I will learn to love him.
You will learn to love him. So this time around, we have to enroll you in the University of Love, where you will learn to love him. You will learn to love a man.
Uncle, please. With all due respect, this is my decision.
True. Your very father is late. But he has a brother like me. I said, okay, I don't know. An elder is not supposed to stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver in his tita. If you insist, I have no other option than to support you. If you really want to go, my daughter, find a love, about to marry, and shedding tears. My ancestors will hear my voice. My late brother will hear my voice. Heaven and earth will hear my voice, because I cannot send you to marriage with tears or marriage without love. If you say it's okay, let's go. But let me also see your mother for confirmation.
Thank you, Uncle.
Please, can you clean your tears?
Fine.
Wipe it for me, huh?
Joy.
Yes.
I have decided to marry Francis.
Why? Why did you change your mind so sudden?
I have to do it.
Why do you have to do it?
For my family, for peace to reign.
No. No, Chi. You don't have to sacrifice your happiness for anybody. Not even for your family.
I just want peace to reign.
But this is not the way to go about it. Remember, marriage is for better, for worse. It's a lifetime thing. Don't sacrifice your...
Joy, I've made up my mind. You can't even change it.
Chi, don't do this now. Don't do this. What if Henry should come back?
Pressure is too much.
I know.
No. You can't change my mind. I have made up my mind. Okay? Babe, I'll see you later.
Naibe, please forgive me. But I didn't know what came over me. Because...
It's alright, my wife. It's alright. Sit down. Sit. Why wouldn't I forgive you? Are you not my late brother's wife? And of course, my own wife. I've got to forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Chioma came here and told me that she had decided to marry Francis.
Yes, sir. And it's her choice. I did not force her. She accepted to marry him by her own choice. I did not force her.
My only problem is that decision is so sudden. But at the same time, my prayer is that she will be happy in that her new decision.
She will. I know she was going to be happy. The man will take very good care of her. And my in-law Francis said that he wants to come and see you tomorrow. Yes.
Then no problem. He is welcomed.
Okay.
After all, you're going to be a champion.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my wife.
I'm very grateful. Have you eaten?
I beg any guess where would the food come from? You know that ever since my wife died, you have been the only wife I have. So if you have fed me this morning, then I'm fed.
Okay.
If you have not, then I remain hungry.
That won't be a problem. Let me go right to and prepare something.
I'm waiting seriously. I'm finished.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. My son, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome
Thank you very much,
Oh?
sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are the young man that wants to marry my daughter, Chioma.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
I hope you love that girl, truly.
I do, sir. I love her with all my heart.
How can you assure me that you take good care of her?
Uncle, let me tell you. For the fact I love that girl with all my heart, I promise you that I will never do anything to hurt her. I'll protect her with every bit of myself. And I'll make her the happiest woman on the planet.
Good. That is the only thing I want from you, number one. You may have heard that her father is late.
Yes, I know you are the father of the house.
I am the father of the house now, and she is my daughter. And I will not just watch anyone maltreat her for nothing in the name of husband and wife. No. I wouldn't like anything to hurt her feelings. Chioma is a very good girl. In fact, how I wish she's a man. Because in character, in humility, everything, she's a replica of my late brother. Please, since you told me she love you and she want to marry you, make sure you don't disappoint my expectations.
Sir, I wouldn't disappoint her.
Good.
And I wouldn't disappoint you too.
That's it, my son. Thank you.
As a matter of fact, I intend coming around next week with my family members to hasten the marriage plans.
Next week?
Next week, sir.
Very good. Not bad. After all, you're not be a gentleman.
Wow.
And we're waiting. I'm waiting.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Discuss this with my housewife.
No, definitely. As a matter of fact, Uncle, I brought something for you here.
That's good.
And here's something to go with it. There's this saying my uncle used to tell me that oja de abaka, you know, something like that. So. Yes, yeah, no, that something like that.
So you go to Mazi Bay's house to go and bring that bag.
Okay, Mama. I will go later.
Make sure you go there today.
I'll go.
I don't want stories.
Mother, I want to go to Choma's house to stay for some time.
Have you informed her?
Yes.
And she agreed that you should come? Okay, that one is not a problem. But Biko, when you get there, you have to be careful. I don't want to hear stories.
Okay, I will respect myself.
Yes. Okay, no problem.
See, may I tell you something? Don't go there, go they follow her fight. So she don't marry now, and you must give her that respect. Don't go there, go they misbehave.
You heard your brother.
I know. Mother, please, I want to go and start packing my bag.
Ah, you're going right away?
Yes, no, allow me to West Side.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. One.
Let me go to Uncle.
You want to go right away? One. Thank you. I'm waiting, eh?
Yeah. Yo, can I get something to drink?
So it's true.
Wait, hold on a second. What are you talking about? What is true?
You got me pregnant and you got married to another person.
Oh, that's... Yeah, now you know. But you can actually just leave my house. What are you still waiting for? Leave! Leave!
Joey.
Yes.
Do you mean Choma is not married to Francis?
Yes, she is.
Is she happy with the marriage?
That I do not know. I really don't know.
Please, help me find out.
Okay, I will.
Thank you.
But may I know why?
Sugar, why don't you just come closer a little bit? Yeah, no, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Should we just take her in and take care of her?
Touch me. What is this?
Can I touch my wife again?
You can't touch me. I'm not in this mood, please.
So when are you ever going to be in the mood?
I do not know. Just don't touch me.
Mother, I don't even know if I'm married to myself. Because Chioma, my wife, is not treating me like a husband.
My in-law, what is the problem?
She has absolutely deprived me of all my right as a man.
You mean you don't sleep with her?
From the time we got married to this moment, you wouldn't believe that we haven't done anything. I mean, the husband and wife thing.
It's not true.
So how are we supposed to make babies?
For real? You mean your wife does not allow you to touch her?
I'm just wondering.
You know something there? Just calm down. You know, go. I will call her right away. I will call her. Once you leave here, I'm going to call her. Okay. She will come and see me tomorrow. Let me talk sense into her.
Okay, Mother.
She has to come back to her senses. Hey? How will she deprive you of your rights?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I will have to take my leave now. It's quite a
Please, my in-law, nothing has spoiled. You know, go.
No problem.
Just calm down. I'll talk sense into her.
No problem. Before I leave, let me just something to keep you going.
Hey.
It's nothing.
Okay, my in-law. All these ones for me.
Oh, it's nothing.
Hey, this is mad. Thank you.
All right, I have to take my leave now. You know it's quite a distance. So
go well, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Such a nice man. Eh? Even in his anger, he's still giving me money. Very good man.
Mama, look at the here. See, Mama, I beg. Talk to her well. Make no go block where food for the come because based on tradition, I don't forgive her.
I really have to talk sense into her. What does she want to spoil things for us or what?
Just tired. Male.
Oh, again?
No. My no is the thing now.
Nyafu ego. Judas so nyakpiri ego. Don't worry, I will give you.
Male, wow! The only Male. The best Male in the world. I mean, talk to now. Talk to Lambo.
Where is my phone?
I love that sequence dress. You like, right?
Yes, it's cool.
Very nice. I mean, if you make it in black with the dress, really suits well. And it blends with her color.
Yes.
See?
So pretty. Esther, are you okay? Is something wrong with you?
I should be asking you that. Are you mad? Why are you calling my name?
Esther, or whatever they called you. Go and ask about me. I'm not Chioma, my sister. Don't just play with me. Do you hear what I said?
I don't have time for hungry goats like you.
Are you Chinasa? Calm down. Sis, did you just hear what she called me now? Just calm down. Esther, be very careful.
What's going on here? Thank you, Esther. I said, can somebody tell me what's going on here?
In-law, please just warn Esther, your sister. Warn her.
What happened? Esther, what happened?
Nothing, brother. Nothing.
Nothing.
In-law, can you imagine? I and my sister are busy watching television and she just walked in from nowhere and switched to another channel. I tried asking her why and she called me a hungry goat.
Esther, listen, I don't want this kind of thing around here. This will be the first and last time you will say that kind of thing in this house. Anyways, honey, how are you? Okay, you ladies should just act mature. Let me just quickly go in and take my shower. As you can see, I'm feeling itchy.
Hi, Francis.
Naza, what are you doing here? Get your hands off me. What's wrong with these people? I told you I don't want anything to do with you. I love your sister and that's all.
Oh, Francis. But she's not giving it to you. So I'm here.
Get out! What is wrong with these people?
Naza!
Angel, how are you? Sugar. Baby.
Is it why you interrupted my sleep?
You don't seem worried over what happened yesterday.
What happened? Oh, it's your choice. Yeah, I have more important things to think about.
That's all you have to say.
What do you want me to say? Please.
What kind of creature is this?
Sis, I'm so sorry for what happened yesterday.
What happened? See, let me tell you. If you want him, feel free. Feel free like a bird. If you seduce him and he falls for you, it's all good. If he doesn't fall for you, then it's your loss. You see as I did like this, so you see me as I'm here. Nothing bothers me. Okay? So enjoy yourself. Feel free.
Sis.
What is sis? I'm watching something. Don't interrupt me.
Naza, you are leaving my house today! Yes.
I've not done anything wrong.
Yes, you don't have to do anything wrong. You just have to leave my house.
Why would she leave?
Because it is my house and I've got the right to do whatever I want to do.
But there must be a reason why she will leave.
Skip the reason. She has to leave my house.
Newsflash, she's not leaving.
Newsflash, she is leaving.
She's not leaving.
Go in there, pack your stuffs and leave my house right away.
She's not leaving.
She is leaving.
She's not leaving. Fine, I will leave.
Good.
But she's not leaving.
She is leaving.
I want to talk to you. I don't know why you hate me so much. But I want you to know that I do not love your brother.
What?
Yeah. You're surprised, right? I was forced into this marriage. I never wanted to be with your brother. But my mother pushed me into getting married to your brother. Why? I am in love with someone else. Why am I not married to him? That's the question, right? That is because he is broke. And my mother chose your brother over him because of money. Now look at where I am today. I do not love your brother. So you see, I am not your enemy. I am trying to be here. I am trying so hard to fit into this place and you are not making it easy for me. You just hate me for no just cause. I am not the enemy here. And I just want you to understand that I am not the enemy here. You shouldn't hate me for no just cause.
It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry Forgive me. Please forgive me. Please.
It's okay.
Mama, the last time when I go to my in-law house, he tell me saying he go open business for me.
He did?
I saw him talk.
I know he will do so. Our in-law is a very kind man, so that one won't be a problem for him.
Okay.
I know he will do so.
Mama.
Chineke. Chinaza.
Mama, good morning.
Ogene.
Udod, where are you?
This one that you just came back. I hope all is well.
Mama, what are you saying? Does it mean that you people don't want me in this house again?
Chinaza,
Mother.
you just left to your sister's house a few days ago and you're suddenly coming back. I hope there is no problem.
I just feel like coming back home. Is there any problem?
So how is your sister and her husband?
They're doing fine. No, let me go inside and rest. I'm very tired.
Mama, you see this Chinada so? This is our castle. I don't trust them at all. Something don't happen for there.
Okay.
Mama, I believe something don't happen for there.
No problem. Anything that must have happened, we will still get to know. And if she has gone there to cause any mischief, Chinaza will have me to contend with. No problem.
Esther, you mean Chioma does not love Francis?
Not at all. She was forced to marry my brother. In fact, she has a boyfriend she loves so much.
Don't tell me that.
And they refuse her to marry him.
Huh. I really feel for her though.
But don't worry. He will regret everything he's doing.
Esther, I pray. Seriously. I pray he do because I still want my man back.
I know that feeling when I see it. Don't worry. I understand. Everything will be fine. Trust me. So tell me, how is your baby?
Baby is fine, Jerry.
No, everything will be fine.
So Francis raped you in the name of making love to you?
Uncle, he forces himself on me every time.
This is not possible. No. It's okay. No problem. But what did your mother say about this?
My mother. My mother is supporting him. Every step of it, my mother is supporting him.
That's no problem. I've had you, my daughter. Do me a favor, wipe your tears. And go home. Just go home.
Can you come with me and speak to him? Just talk some senses into him. He needs to stop. He's hurting me.
Don't worry, my daughter. I just told you to go home. Go! First thing in the morning, I am there.
Uncle, you promise?
Yes, I promise to come. How would I be sleeping here or resting here while my daughter is on fire? Not possible. I will come and this whole thing will end. Please, wipe your tears. Stop crying. Stop crying now.
Uncle, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Uncle, this one you came, I hope all is well.
All is well and all is not very well.
If it's money, I can get you more money.
I don't need money this time around. Everything's on money. And you know me, I've not been demanding from you. My daughter came home and reported to me that you've always raped her. You force her into bed in the name of making love, and that she's feeling it, crying. Oh my God! So I said to come.
But why would you even tell him that?
But that's the truth.
But it's not true.
It's the truth.
No,
it's the truth.
Enough! What's wrong with you, children? Whether it is true or not, it does not matter. Everything is now in the past. Even if I don't want to hear such a report again. Please,
it's okay.
She's your wife.
It's okay.
Why do you want to wound her? Please, be very careful with her. Please, let me not hear this next time.
It's okay.
No, from today going on, please. My daughter, please keep respecting your husband.
Tell her.
She's respecting you. Don't kill her for me in the name of love.
But Uncle, I love her. It's okay.
Meanwhile, I think I have one important meeting at the village to attend.
Okay, you do. Before you leave, let me quickly get you transportation.
No, I have enough.
Joy. You're looking so beautiful. Right? Look at you. My girl is shining.
Maybe it's a pregnancy.
What?
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Oh, my friend. Calm down. What do you mean calm down? I need to be happy. You're married. I'm going to be a godmother. My friend is having a baby.
The baby is not for Francis.
What?
It's for Henry.
What? You're not serious?
100% serious.
Gee, this is trouble. And you're so calm about it.
Am I supposed to kill myself? I never wanted the marriage, but everybody wanted me to come here. Now we are here, pregnant for Henry.
Your baby.
What?
Baby.
My baby's coming. Hospital.
Baby.
To the hospital.
Ow, baby.
Go and bring the car.
Baby. Please, just the
Get the car. Okay, open the door. Open the door.
Okay. I got it. Okay.
Open the door. Open the door.
Wait. Just take it easy. Just take it easy. Come, baby, it's fine. It's okay. Come, okay. Just gradually. Oh, God. It's fine. Doctor, finally I'm a father! Mother!
Now a grandmother.
Thank
you so much. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, baby. Wow! Yes, baby, thank you very much.
Congrats.
What about my baby?
She's over the newborn nursery.
Yes, she's in the nursery. Your baby is so beautiful.
Our baby is so beautiful.
Girl.
Yes, she's beautiful.
You've tried, eh? Dialogue. My in-law.
Yes, mother. Thank you very much.
God,
thank you.
Thank
you, baby. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
I'm so happy.
Where is Amanda?
She's in there with that fool.
Choma, don't call him that. He is still your husband.
That is exactly what he is. A fool. And did you say husband? Husband, my foot.
Tell me, does he still beat you?
For now, no. You know, I do not blame him. No. I do not blame him at all. I blame Henry for letting another man take care of his own daughter.
Stop it. Someone might hear you.
Do you think I care? No, do I look like I care?
Choma, I understand you hate him so much, but you just have to be submissive. You just have to try to make it work. He is the husband you have now. Henry is nowhere to be found.
Joy.
I can hear you.
Let me tell you. If it's not Henry, then I will never, I repeat, I will never love another man.
Believe me, my friend, I understand how you feel.
You do not. You have no idea how I feel.
Baby, I need you. Just go to the bed. I need you right now.
Are you so dumb that you can't understand when someone don't want you?
What do you mean by that?
I don't want you. I don't need you.
The last time I recall, you are my wife. So it's your duty to satisfy my urge whenever I want it and wherever.
I hate you.
Oh, God. I love you. I love you. Come on. So right now, just go.
Harry, where are you?
What? Listen, I am going to show you who you are dealing with when next you call that name again. Come here. Come here. You must be very silly. You're so silly.
Francis, I will never forgive you.
If you like, you forgive me. If you like, don't forgive me. What matters is I have gotten exactly what I want. And you are mine and mine forever.
Mama.
Kadu?
Francis is dealing with me.
Ogini?
Me every day.
Chinekenna. So I gave out my daughter's hand in marriage to a beast. Mom, calm down, Enola. By tomorrow, I am coming to that house with your siblings.
Hey. Mama, what's happened?
Hey. John's husband beat her up again. Hi, God. God. Hey, I am responsible for this. Because of my selfish and my greed, I gave out my daughters and the marriage to a wife beater. Beat her up again. My daughter is suffering because of my selfishness and my greed.
So, Francis beat my sister again. Oh, I don't molest myself. I don't mess up. But I know what I will do. I will let her know say I be man. We will fight this battle man to man. I know what I will do.
Francis has turned my daughter into a punching bag.
Mama, if anything happens to my sister, I will never forgive you because you misled us.
What have I done? What have I done?
Francis, we come in peace.
I know you come in peace. I hope you're not expecting me to serve you drinks or food.
Stop it! Are you mad? So you think we just came all the way from the village to come and do what? Ask for your food and drink?
It's possible.
Look at this food. Now, let me ask you this question. Simple. When I gave you my daughter Chioma to marry, I did not sell her to you. I gave her as a wife. Why are you maltreating her?
So what did she say I did this time?
She said that you're a monster. That you turned her into a punching bag.
Oh, really? Do I look like a monster?
Francis, you bad go too much. Tell me why you should turn this girl into a slave.
She is my wife.
Shut up! I said shut up! I hate hearing this. Who is your wife and do what? How much do you pay? Did I ask you to buy her? What's wrong with you? Give her a medical self.
As a matter of fact, I see that both of you have overstayed your welcome. I think it's about time to leave my house.
Francis, you have just insulted us and I demand you take it back. In full measure!
Listen to me, you old mongrels. Leave my house in one piece before I lose it. Oh,
I
let's go.
I'm not going with Sammy.
Let's go!
Yes, you're leaving.
Just let's go. Don't run away.
You will hear from us.
Don't worry. Don't run away. I will take you.
You think you're the only rich man. You will hear from us.
What does that mean? Get out!
What have I done? I misled my daughter into making a wrong choice. She's suffering so much in her husband's house. I didn't know that Francis is such a beast. He's so callous, I didn't know. He has turned my daughter into his punching bag. Hey, God, what have I done? Harry would have made a better son-in-law to me. Harry loves Chioma, he loves my daughter. And I misled her because of my greed and my selfishness. I am such a selfish mother. And my daughter is suffering for it. Ah, Chioma.
What's funny?
Oh, wait. You mean that fool is still beating Chioma?
Yes. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw her yesterday. No, you could have seen Chioma. You could have seen her face. It was unbelievable.
That's so painful. But that was what her mother wanted.
Come on. But Chioma is innocent.
Yes. Trust me, in 3 days' time, Henry is coming back. And when he returns, he's going to get married to another woman.
No! I won't allow that to happen.
Why?
Because Chioma and Henry are meant to be together. Besides, Henry is Amanda's father.
What? Oh, what did you just say?
I didn't say. I didn't say anything. Why are you putting words in my mouth?
It was meant to be a secret. She only confided in me because I'm her best friend. And she never wanted anyone else to know about it.
Where is he?
What is going on here?
So you turned my daughter into a punching bag? You think I cannot do anything? You turned my daughter into a punching bag? You turned my daughter into a punching bag? What kind of insult is this in my house? I gave me my daughter tomorrow not to kill her.
Which is my wife?
And so what? You're a beast. I didn't know that you're a white beast and you're a monster.
Mary, look at the insult.
Look at my daughter. Look at what you've turned my daughter into. Are you mad? I didn't know that you're a beast.
But she's my wife.
And so bloody what?
Francis.
What is it?
I know some next time I give you.
Yes, you did. You all did, so you did.
You are living with us. You're not staying here again.
No, he will kill me.
Bastard, right? Let's go.
What is it, Nicholas? Drop this thing. Come in the drop. Mind yourself.
Mama!
That's the man that harassed me and took my money from me.
Young man, you are under arrest.
Exactly.
For what? Why?
When we go to the station, we explain better.
What happened?
Move this way.
You're not taking my son anywhere.
Move!
You're not taking my son. You will not take my son. What did he do?
Mama, step out.
You come and arrest myself for what?
I'll shoot you now. Move this way.
You're not going anywhere.
Abra, move! This way!
Francis, why will you do this?
God will punish you.
Move this way.
Leave my son.
Move.
God will punish you. See, God will punish you.
If you try, you can get arrested.
Evil man.
Please, I beg you, release my brother. He's innocent.
He's innocent. Oh, weren't you here when he came into my house and fought me with your mother and sister?
I was here.
And so how does that make him innocent?
You know he's the only brother that I have. Just release him. Okay, fine. I promise to do whatever you want me to do.
Oh, now she's willing to do whatever I want her to do. Oh, yeah? Okay, now, let me tell you. First of all, you have to promise me that no member of your family is going to visit my home again. And then you are not going to visit them either. Yes or no? And then second of all, that you're going to have to give me what I want without a fight. Of course you know what I'm talking about. Oh, that's awesome. Great. So, why don't we just start by going in and then let's get it going.
Now?
Oh, yes, now. Great! So come on, here we go. Come, let's just go. Let's make it snappy. What are you still waiting for? Hurry up!
Where is this man? Where's your guy? Oh boy! Oh boy!
Henry! Henry!
Yes, bro.
Henry!
Yes, bro.
Whoa!
Well, nice seeing you again, man.
Wow!
I'm back for good. One off.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, man. This is me. Huh? You know how I used to be.
Yes.
I used to hear to say God no go shame me. God don't shame me. I tell you say God no go shame me.
Hey! Wow! Look at you!
Yes, bro.
Wow!
You're a good man. Thank you very much. Do you have drinks? You mean Chioma passed through all this?
Yes. But that's good news.
What's the good news?
That fool thinks he's the biological father to Amanda. But it's you.
I don't understand it. What did I do?
Before you traveled, Chioma took in. And the result is Amanda. And you are the biological father.
Wait. I don't like this, your joke. You have to stop it. This is a serious, sensitive matter. What is it?
For real. You are now a father!
You mean Amanda is my child?
Yes!
So let's drink up.
Hey. Be calming down. Henry, so after all these years in abroad, you return back to Nigeria and still love African attire.
Don't you know that over there, jean, polo. My dear, I'm back. Let me enjoy this.
Ho. That's all good. Just drink up and you're now a father!
Is the baby okay?
Yes, Amanda is fine. She's with her auntie.
What about Chioma?
Chioma should be fine. At least she's in a good hand. Let's pray to God that nothing happens to her. Joy, Mama, how is my daughter? She's with the doctor, we don't know yet.
Okay. Henry, is this you? Henry, please, I am sorry for everything. Please forgive us. We are truly sorry. I'm sorry, please.
I will forgive you on one condition. That's if Chioma works.
Doctor, how is she?
Yes, how is my daughter?
Well, she has woken up.
Oh, praise God.
She has woken up.
Thank God.
So, go.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Chindo, I'm sorry. Chindo, you'll be fine. Don't worry.
Honey, the doctor said I can take you home with me now.
What? She's not going anywhere with you.
Oh, really?
What? You will what? You're not going anywhere. You're not going with him. Pick one.
I have to go.
No.
Why do you have to go?
He will kill you. Please, my daughter.
Don't go. He is my husband.
No.
Exactly.
Why? He's going to kill you.
Why
Don't
will you
go,
go?
please.
I don't just say you don't get respect. My mom, my mother did let's go. You don't get respect, Abi. No, Allah, Sha.
Chioma, why will you just stand here and let her go? You should have tried to stop her.
Mama, that guy is up to something.
Please do something. He's going to kill her.
I know what to do.
My daughter, I am truly sorry for everything that has happened to you. I caused it all. And in my next life, I will never try all that I did. I won't try it again. You know, go on. Please, pardon me. I am very, very sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Sis, I'm so happy that you're back for me. I promise never to leave your side again.
Okay. And I'm so happy that you're smiling again.
My sister, you know, say based on tradition, I may be the man of the house. And now I don't dey here, I dey with you. Any bullet with the come, I will block her. You know, get I dey with you.
Okay. If I had a brother.
My adorable friend. See how beautiful she is with her beautiful smile. Thank God for making our paths cross. And you'll forever be my friend, now and always.
My dear, I thought I had lost you. But I thank God you are here again.
Thank you.
I love you. Oh. You took the bullet that would have killed me. Thank you very much. And baby. Sorry. I want you to be my number one. And you will always be my number one. I want you to be my wife, okay? Will you marry me?
Say yes, say yes. Oh my God.
Ouch, my hand.
Sorry.
I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
True love exists. And in this life, don't ever look down on anyone because no one knows tomorrow.
My real in-law.